Hello again, this is Captain John with another one of my video tips of the week. In today's video tip, I'm going to show you an easy sailing navigation method you can use to surround your track line with a virtual box of safety. You can use this to scan inside the box and find dangers before you sail or cruise. Here we've plotted our sailing track line of 017 degrees magnetic, and our destination, Provincetown Harbor, lies just around the point. Let's go ahead and draw a light box around our track line with an approximate 2-mile radius to the left, right, and ahead. Now let's scan inside the box and find any dangers to navigation. To the right lies a wreck dangerous to surface navigation, and we can tell this because we see the fishbone symbol surrounded by dots. Up ahead to the left you can see another wreck dangerous to surface navigation marked by a buoy. We can enter the position of these wrecks into our GPS as waypoints, set a proximity radius circle so that the GPS will alarm if we sail too close as we proceed up our track line. Now you know an easy sailing navigation technique you can use anytime you plot a track line on a chart in inland or coastal waters. This will help you find those dangerous wrecks, rocks, and reefs wherever you sail or cruise. This is Captain John, and this has been another one of my video tips of the week. Find more sailing tips and techniques on www.skippertips.com.